Hi everyone. Today we will be talking about the trend, phase, and cycle. What are the squeeze candles? What is expansion? What is trend? So as you can see, this is a daily chart. I have created a trend line, very clearly visible. Here the trend line is bearish. So what is the phase? So generally when the trend is downwards or upwards, we calculate the moves as phase. So this is phase 1, this is phase 2, phase 1, phase 2, phase 1, phase 2, phase 1, phase 2. So when the price is going down in a bearish move, we are currently in the phase 2, which is nothing but upward move. So downward trend, phase 2. In the downward trend, the price has tried this trend line 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and the fifth time it has broken the trend line. Can you see this? Yeah, so why the chances of price moving up? Because, yeah. So you can see this. This is a squeeze candle. This is called a squeeze candle. So price squeezes here without making much movement. It squeezes for a day, 2 days, or 3 days, and then starts expanding. Okay? So if you look here, the price is on a downward trend, is on a phase 2. On a phase 2, on a daily time frame. If you switch to 4-hour time frame, then we just pick this leg, which was the B2 of daily. So what exactly it says? P1, P2, P1, P2, P1, and P2. On a daily P2 leg, which is upward move, on a 4-hour, we are also at the P2 move, which is phase 1, phase 2, phase 1, phase 2, phase 1, phase 2. Okay? Can you see this? Just to clarify again, go to daily chart. We are saying it's a downward trend in phase 1, phase 2. Phase 2 is a downward trend, pullback move, which is slightly on the, for some time it is bullish. But if you move to H4, which is a 4-hour time frame, again on the same leg, we are calculating again P1, P2, P1, P2, P1, P2. So P2 on an upward move, it is P2 pullback, okay? Same thing if you do it on 1 hour. Same thing if you do it on 1 hour. Here only I'll show you. If you go to 1-hour chart, same thing. This is daily upward move. P1, P2, P1, P2, P1, P2. Okay? So P2 on upward move, it is P2. Remember one thing that it is going down, it's a P2 move. On daily, it is on a P2 move, which is on upward move. If we talk about 1 hour, it is on P2 move, which is downward. So for 4 hours, it's also downward move. And 1 hour also, it's a downward move. So what we are expecting the price to go down and then go up again because it's on a P2 move on daily. So how far the price is going to come down, that's what we have to see. Price to come down to this level and then go up again. We can expect the price to come down to this level, take a resistance from here, and then move on. I hope the 10-phase cycle concept is clear and that you are clear that the price is coming on the downward side. You can always go on to your 5-minute chart and start trading based on that. But once the direction bias is clear, you know you can trade that. Is it clear? Okay, makes sense. So we are expecting the price to come down to this level. So from here till here, and then price is expected to move up. So back to daily.p. Thank you. Please subscribe and turn the notification bell to get notified about my new videos.